Israel attacks Qatar. As of September 2025, Israel has carried out an unprecedented airstrike on Qatar, targeting Hamas leaders in the capital city of Doha. The attack has been widely condemned by the international community, including the United Nations Security Council, and has significantly escalated tensions in the region. Details of the attack. On Tuesday, September 9, 2025, Israel launched a long-range airstrike on a residential building in Doha's West Bay Lagoon neighborhood, a heavily populated area. The target of the strike was the political leadership of Hamas, which has been based in Qatar for years. The attack killed at least 6 people, including 5 Hamas members and one Qatari security official. It failed to assassinate senior Hamas leaders such as chief negotiator Khalil al-Hayya, who survived. Israel took responsibility for the strike, calling it part of an operation named Summit of Fire. Consequences and reactions. International condemnation. The United Nations Security Council condemned the attack, calling for de-escalation. The United States, a key ally of both Israel and Qatar, joined the criticism, with President Donald Trump saying he was not thrilled by Israel's actions. Regional outrage. Qatar and its Gulf neighbors expressed outrage, with the Qatari Prime Minister calling the strike state terror. Arab leaders have called for a unified response to deter further Israeli aggression. Stalled ceasefire talks. The attack targeted Hamas leaders who were actively engaged in ceasefire talks for the Gaza war, mediated by Qatar and the United States. The strike has been condemned as an attempt by Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu to scuttle negotiations, undermining the peace process. Risk to regional stability. Analysts fear the attack has pushed the conflict beyond the Israeli-Palestinian issue and into a broader regional crisis. It is seen as a major act of international aggression that could threaten security across the Middle East. Strained United States-Qatar relations. The Israeli strike has strained relations between the United States and Qatar, a key partner that hosts a major American military base. Qatar's response. Qatar's Prime Minister has stated that the country will continue its humanitarian and diplomatic role, but has warned that there will be a regional response to Israel's actions. While Qatar is not expected to retaliate militarily, experts believe it could use diplomatic and economic pressure. Thank you.